Can you fix it? So, who do you love?
The open.
Who do you love? Who do you love? Do you love anybody?
No.
You don't love anybody?
Mommy.
Oh, it broke.
No.
Can you fix it?
Yeah? A hammer.
You're gonna make a hammer?
Wait.
Hey, do you love mommy? Do you love mommy? Or daddy?
Yeah, Daddy.
You love daddy?
Yeah.
Oh, good. What about me? Do you love mom? Do you love mommy?
Mommy, my cell phone.
It broke. You can fix it. What's that sound you're making?
The open.
Do you love mommy?
Wow! Six.
Do you like playing with Tinker Toys?
Yeah. What?
Who's your best friend?
My Jesus.
Who?
My Jesus.
Your Jesus? Is that what you said?
What's my finger? What's my finger?
What's your finger?
Ah!
Who did you say is your best friend? Who's your best friend, Jefferson?
Whoa!
Are you easily distracted? I think so. Tell me, where's your nose? Where's your feet? Can you point to your feet? Point to your feet. Where's your feet?
My two.
Where? Show me.
My two.
Right there. Where's your hair? You're a goofball, huh? Do you like to be silly? Like to be silly?